In the early days of Big Dog Builds, building some of the biggest trucks here in Australia, came one of our first F-150 builds. This one here came into the workshop for a stage one a couple years ago, and now it's back to protect the front end a little bit more. And I love a good F-150 build. This thing drives like a dream, and it's actually for sale. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds, with well over 750 trucks through our workshop. At a guess, this one was build number 150, maybe, something along those lines. F-150, the baller exhaust, Icon 2.5 suspension kit. This thing drives amazing. It sounds pretty good for a V6. And now that it's got the protection on the front end, I thought I'd get it in front of a camera, show you what we've done from start to finish, and how this truck could be yours. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia for good reason, and it's F-150s like this one here. Wait till you see the rear end of this one. A little bit of custom paint. The interior on these F-150s are bloody amazing. The massive moonroof on the Lariat platform definitely packs a punch. I don't like moonroofs, but on this F-150, I think it's definitely got a place. With more F-150s coming to Australia very shortly, the 2023 model, are they going to be outdated? Or is this one here gonna still keep up with the new ones? Well, starting at the front end, this one here has definitely got a unique look to it now. We've got the Ironman 4x4 front bar combo, but the standout feature on the front end is the LED lighting. The Baja Designs LP6 Pro LED lights in amber and white means that you can select between white and amber outputs out the front of the vehicle. It's gonna light up the road, keep you safe, and everything coming towards you, dip the high beam down, stay nice and safe, having a bit more front protection with the Ironman front bar combo. You can actually option this one up to have the side rails down to some side steps. The difference with the front lights is the amber and then the white. The amber LED lights is going to light up the night sky. If there's a bit of moisture in the air, a bit of dust in the air, the amber cuts through all of that, and it's going to be a much better performing light. On those clear nights, the white LED lights are going to pack a punch, that little bit more distance, that little bit brighter. Having the combo lens LED lights means you've got the floodlight at the bottom, and those top four lights are going to be full spot. Spreading these ones out and getting a good combo light out the front of the vehicle is what's going to light up the sky. 4 massive Baja Design lights. I had 4 on my little Suzuki Jimny, which were the LP4s, and the LP6 lights here are the perfect size for this front bar combo. The Ironman winch in the front end here is going to recover this vehicle if it does get stuck, and then the Ironman LED lights attached to the factory looms in the F-truck means that when you're on the low turn mode, it's going to light up the road and also tap into the factory fog lights as well. So good lighting out the front of the vehicle, the camera relocation tab inside the bar, the winch combination on the front there, and the team are just finishing up the options, and they'll put on the flip up license plate there as well. Staying protected is key. If you're wanting that little bit more protection for your F-150, the team at Ironman have also got scrub rails that go down to their side steps on the F-150 models. We've gone a little bit different, and we've actually opted for the electric drop-down side steps. Real truck electric side steps on this one here mean getting in and out of the vehicle is nice and easy. Although the F-150 has only got a 2-inch suspension lift, just under 34-inch tyres on this one here, getting in and out, still that little bit of an awkward size, so having the drop-down side steps makes that nice and easy. With the suspension combination on this one here, we've gone for the 2-inch, the Icon suspension kit, drives like a dream. It's got the upper control arms, it's got the coilovers in here, having a 2.5 remote res adjustable suspension. We're down on the softer setting, and this one here definitely drives amazing. I'm keen to load up the tray a little bit, even tow with this one here, adjust the shockies, and being a coilover setup there, it has been a couple years in the vehicle. We could opt to just lift that front a tiny bit more, but I think it drives just fine. 285, 70, 18 ridge grappler tyres. This one here has got some presence on the road. And then the Method race wheels 312 matte black wheels. They've seen a bit of weather over the time. It has been used as a truck, and I'm keen to see this one detailed up, ready for the next owner. If you're keen on an F-150, this model here has had a lot of money spent on it and drive like a dream for years and years to come. You can't beat a white and black themed vehicle. Dark tint, electric side steps on this one here. I was gonna film the interior, but may have been used a little bit. It's definitely due for a good detail, and this thing's gonna come up $1 million. But the interior of the Lariat, the the CarPlay, everything connected. The standout feature is that moonroof, in my opinion. The real truck electric side steps to get in and out. And we're ready for a tonneau cover on the back, or just get in and use it exactly like the customer did. Rear end of this one here, quite simple setup. The baller exhaust systems, the black stickers, the black badge kit, the color-coded rear bumper, or blacked out rear bumper on this one here, and the F-150 is ready to boogie for years and years to come. If you want to get into something like this, whether it be this F-150, or whether it be another new build, we can do pre-registration, new GVM upgrades on the new models. This one here is ready for its new home. If you're chasing an F-150, get in touch with the team. I don't think this one's going to last long. Another few options on the F-150, of course, being the 1500 range F-150, adding an RSI smart cap to the rear, electric tonneau cover. Real truck have got multiple different manual tonneau covers on the back end there. We can do battery setups inside the tub. We can do air compressors ready for a beach run. The F-150 platform, it's definitely built for that weekend warrior sort of setup. The smart cap on the rear end would probably be on my wish list if I was to keep it, but this one here is ready for a new home. If you like this build video, guys, check these two out here. These two below, they're pretty cool as well.